Yan guys, sasakay kami ng ng Waymo.
What are we doing here?
So unlock.
Ah,
There.
all right, get in. Are you recording? It's cool, huh?
Hello, Gaucho.
All right.
Guys, sasakay kami ng walang driver.
Hey, where's the driver at, man?
Ayun guys.
What is this? All right, let's go.
There's a seatbelt.
Start ride.
Seatbelt.
You see that? Look,
There's a seatbelt.
so you press start ride.
Hello from Waymo. As
Hello,
we get
Waymo.
going,
Look at
just
that.
give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips. This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please.
May
If
seatbelt.
you're traveling with little ones,
Can you put the seatbelt? Ayan guys. Can you put my seatbelt? Ayan guys, wala kami seatbelt. Ouch. May seatbelt. Ayan guys, wala.
It's not working.
Oh, this is my seatbelt.
Oh my god.
That's my seatbelt. That one, that's one. Guys, oh. Ayan guys.
All right.
Wala kaming
That was
driver.
noisy, huh? All right.
Dito lang kami sa likod.
Hey, look at that.
Ayan, oh. Dito lang kami sa likod. Just, ayan guys. Ayan, magra-right kami. Look, he knows where to go.
Oh yeah.
Talagang sumiksik eh. Ang galing. Ayan guys, parang you feel like very safe, huh? Riding it.
I feel like I'm in the future. Huh?
Parang what do you call that? Mahinahon, hindi siya yung nagmamadali. Okay guys, at least nakasakay tayo. Another experience.
See, look, it even has a little screen here. Ours is what the
Ayan.
camera on top sees,
Ayun,
And-
nakikita niya lahat kasi ang dami niyang
and that's
camera.
us right there.
Ang dami niyang camera sa taas, sa side.
So
Kaya lahat
so it also
nakikita niya.
shows the people that are walking.
Nakikita niya lang mga tao,
pretty cool, huh?
mga sasakyan na
See, it shows
naglalakad.
all the cars, babes. Wow.
Nakapalibot camera. Oh. Oh, alam niya.
That's
alam niya.
crazy, yeah.
Alam niya.
Get
yan.
out of my way, guys. Go around you.
Talagang alam niya kung saan siya, Imagine that. It's a nice one. I-record ko to hanggang makarating kami sa hotel. Tingnan natin. Diba? Nakakatuwa. Waymo. Jaguar yung So, napakaganda ng sasakyan kasi it's Jaguar. All over the side, may mga camera. Ayan, nakikita niya lahat. Makikita mo. Yung mga blue na yun, nakikita mga tao yun. Yan.
Yeah, it even shows the people that are walking.
Yeah.
Right?
Nakikita niya yung
It's a
gumagalaw-galaw doon. O, yung mga tao na yun. Ayan.
And then if you want to get off, like if you're not feeling good, you just press right there. It says pull over.
Pull over.
And he'll pull you over.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So you don't have to like stay in the car. Look at this. Yeah, he's waiting.
Ayan, oh, he's waiting.
He's waiting
Talagang,
until
ayan,
all
oh,
these people.
ang dami-daming mga ganyan dito, nagkalat, oh, ayan, oh. Ayan.
Hey, buddy.
I didn't see anyone in San Diego.
No, I don't. You're right. I don't even
Yeah,
think they have
parang
them
hindi
there.
ko pa nakikita sa San Diego. So, dito lang namin nakita sa San Francisco. But there's one vlogger in San Diego na sumakay sila ng ganito. But we didn't put start, ha?
No, I pressed start on my phone.
Oh, you're in your phone,
Yeah.
okay. So,
It says start right, and then you gotta swipe up with the arrow, and then it goes.
yan, malapit na kami 6 minutes. Ay, 6 minutes.
Yep.
Ayan, nakakatuwa. Ayan, ano ko to?
It's very good. It drives right close to the cars too.
Very nice. Maggagawa ko ng reels. Okay. Bye. See you later.